Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. In today's video, we are going to discuss why flying drones can be a good side hustle. You may not be a full-time commercial drone pilot like we are, but that doesn't mean you can't cash in on the commercial drone industry. Before we begin, hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue providing you with more drone-related content. In this video, we are going to identify a few of the advantages of becoming a commercial drone pilot as a side hustle. The last few years have taught us that unexpected things can quickly change our employment opportunities. Having other options for earning an income is never a bad idea. If you're looking to earn some extra cash, you're in the right place. But before we discuss why drone flying can be a lucrative and fulfilling side gig, we need to talk about getting your license. Everyone in the United States who wants to legally fly a drone and make money doing it must have a Part 107 certification from the FAA. Learning the material to pass the FAA's exam can be a little challenging on your own. If you're looking for a course to help you learn the material, we invite you to join the over 17,000 students who have taken our course and passed the exam on their first try. A link to the course is included below in the description. First up, flexibility. As a side hustle, drone flying gives you the freedom to choose when and where you work. Whether you're juggling a full-time job or other commitments, you can easily fit drone flying into your schedule. It's all about working on your terms. There are many drone pilot networks and platforms that allow you to pick and choose the gigs you want to fly. Whether you want to fly 1 gig a month for a little extra spending cash or want to hustle for as much work as possible, the option is there for the taking. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect. Starting a traditional business can be costly, but drone flying offers low startup costs. Once you have the necessary equipment and training under your belt, you're ready to take off. No need for a massive investment. We'll include a link in the description for another one of our videos that covers this topic in more detail, but trust us, there is no need to break the bank on starting a drone business. Next on our list is demand. The demand for drone services is skyrocketing across various industries. From real estate and construction to photography and videography, businesses are seeking aerial perspectives. This demand means plenty of opportunities to earn extra income on the side. New uses for drones are coming up all the time. Even if you are located in a market with many drone pilots, you'll probably have no trouble finding work if you're willing to go out there and get it. Some hustles limit you to specific tasks, like driving people around or transcribing audio recordings. Drones open up a world of diverse opportunities. You can specialize in real estate, aerial photography, inspections, mapping, event photography, and more. Your side hustle can align perfectly with your skills and interests. The fifth advantage on our list is having extra cash. A drone side hustle provides the additional source of income you've been searching for. Whether it's paying off debts, saving up for a goal, or simply having some more spending money, drones can help. Many pilots can find work starting out at around $50 an hour and quickly move to higher levels. It's not uncommon for pilots to earn several hundred or even several $1,000s in a single day or two of work. Next is the benefit of learning to fly drones professionally. Becoming a commercial drone pilot is a marketable skill set. As a drone pilot, you will learn basic aeronautical skills, have a greater understanding of the national airspace, and learn to improve your skills as a professional photographer. Number 7 on our list is the ability to hustle when tapping into your creative side. Drone photography and videography give you a chance to unleash your creativity. Capturing stunning and unique perspectives that will captivate your clients and followers is enjoyable and allows you some opportunity to direct what you are capturing. No two drone gigs are the same, and if you are looking for additional ways to expand your artistry, aerial photography is an excellent medium to explore. If you like to meet new people, this hustle can be a great way to do it. As you venture into the world of drone flying, you'll meet a variety of people, clients, industry professionals, and fellow enthusiasts. Networking opportunities abound, expanding your connections and potential collaborations. If you're like me and networking isn't your thing, you can also successfully operate as a lone wolf. Some pilots never physically meet their clients and work in remote areas where no one will disturb them. This side hustle really lets you choose how you want to operate. Our 9th benefit to having a drone side hustle is the ease of being able to start small and grow as you are ready. Starting small and gradually growing your workload is entirely possible with a drone side hustle. Some industries force you to grow quickly or die out. You won't find pressure from the industry to quickly become a full-time pilot. This makes it manageable alongside a full-time job or other responsibilities. You're in control of the pace you grow your business at. Our final benefit is the potential for your side hustle to become something bigger. What starts as making a little extra cash can blossom into a full-time career. Many full-time pilots started flying drones to make a little extra coin, only to find they loved it so much it became their main source of income. So there you have it. That's our case for why flying drones can be an incredible side hustle. It offers flexibility, low startup costs, high demand, and endless opportunities for growth. Remember, while you're soaring to success, always follow the regulations, obtain your Part 107 license before working for profit, and always maintain ethical professionalism. We hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you again soon. Until that time, stay safe out there and happy flying.